First, you will need to operate the handle, which will rotate the shaft and the cams. Find the handle position that reveals the small screw on the back side of the cam that you are replacing, and use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew it. Once the screw is loose, remove the cam with needle nose pliers. Grab your new cam along with its hardware, including a screw and a small washer, and reassemble the three components. Move the handle back into the same operating position and then slide the cam onto the shaft. Tighten the screw using your Phillips screwdriver, and when complete, let the handle return to its center position.